Friends, this reading is for Sensex. How will be the performance of Sensex in coming year 2021? So looking at these cards, I am really happy to say that Sensex will not only stop at 50,000 but it will move much ahead. Recently only Sensex has touched 50,000 points. But look at this card and this card. Emperor and Empress. Lots of potential still to grow. I will not be surprised if Sensex touches 60,000 points by year end. Also, now if we look at quarterly basis, so till 31st March still we can expect some sort of correction, small correction, but thereafter things will be okay. Sensex will be moving in upward direction only. So all in all, April onwards it will be upward trend only. So if a person who has not invested in stock market and want to start investing, then this is the right time. Do not shy away. Do not think that Sensex is at peak, because peak is yet to come. Look at these two cards. Peak is yet to come. So that's it for now. Now we will see sector wise cards. Friends, now sector wise stocks. Now I had chosen 9 sectors. There were so many sectors, so it's very difficult to do reading for almost 50 odd sectors. So I had chosen 9 sectors randomly. Now first is advertising and media. Moon card clearly indicates that the stocks of companies related to advertising and media will not be doing very well in the year 2021. Then banking and finance. Banking and finance, yes, they will do very well. Major gainers. Pharma will be above average, not very good, but still they will gain. They will be gainers in the year 2021. Then the real surprise to me is real estate sector. Real estate sector is going to gain in the year 2021. Information technology, yes, they will be gainers. Then again another surprise, oil petroleum related companies. All of a sudden there might be a huge correction in stocks of this sector. All of a sudden there will happen something because of which there will be a sudden fall in the stock prices of oil and petroleum companies. So be careful. Then telecom sector, not doing very well. Power, neither good nor bad. They will be range bound. Then iron and steel, they will do very well. Iron and steel stocks will be doing very well. Now let's check for commodities. Now commodities. So in commodities I had taken 3 commodities: petroleum oil, crude oil, silver and gold. There are many commodities as such, but I'll request you people to suggest me. Then I'll come up with one more reading on commodities which are suggested by you. And also in that I'll also include currencies. So now coming back to commodities, when it comes to crude oil, first 4 months good, but first 4 months of 2021 are good, but then the problem starts. Prices will come down. Look at these cars here. Somewhat again prices will rise, but not to the extent. So we have seen that prices of stocks related to petroleum, oil and gas companies also are going to come down. So here also, when it comes to crude oil prices, they are not going to do very well in the year 2021. So be careful. When it comes to silver, looks good. Looking at these three cards, first 8 months silver is going to rise. No looking back. Then gold, first 4 months till April very good, but thereafter next 4 months not so good till August. But again gold will be back with a shine in last 4 months of the year 2021. So these middle 4 months from May to August, in this period gold prices will be down. So please suggest me which other commodities you want me to do reading for, and I'll certainly do it. So that's it for now. Thank you.